Hey friends, if you wish to get the hardware ID from Device Manager in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. First of all, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now expand the list for, let us say, a certain hardware, because all drivers are for certain hardware products. To find its hardware ID, right click on it and select Properties. Go to the Details tab and then search for hardware ID in this list. So it will be a little difficult to find, but I think that the list is in alphabetical order. So wait, configuration ID, base ID, matching ID. Yeah, hardware IDs. So click on that and you will find all the hardware IDs associated with it. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.